Hello, good day, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's always good to have you back to my channel. Please don't forget to give us one like or subscribe. This video is meant to guide us on the latest updates on our Uniteverse. I will not want to take much of your time. First thing, I want us to see how we can go and activate the mining of the most expected and expensive coin on earth. This coin is going to beat the record any coin what is Bitcoin? Any coin has ever made. First thing, once you are in your Uniteverse, it might still be having the old look. Just be patient. Go out, go to Tactile, come back to Uniteverse. Allow it to load. When it has finished loading, like I said, this video is specifically on how you can activate your mining of BITFORCE. You see this place, earning. Go there and get started. It's meant to be activated every 24 hours, meaning every 24 hours it will stop. So you come back and continue the mining. Just click on it. Once you have clicked, you have 0 NTC and you will see the timing. Scroll up a bit, you see the start now, and once you hit that button, it gets started. Just put your password and hit confirm. Boom, it started. It is on. The mining has started. My dear friend, don't even waste any time. Get started as fast as you can. The energy harvesting. In this process, your raw quantum ore will be converted into a purified ore that will be used to, mine the BITFORCE. Thank you very much. If you like what we are doing, do well to give us one like and equally subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless you.